Hi there, in this video I'm going to explain you what is input output redirection in Linux. So if anyone use the commands in Linux like say ls, then what happens is it prints the output into the standard output. So standard output in the shell is the shell terminal where the it is displayed on the monitor, the result of the command. So and the standard input is the keyboard. So if you want to accept the input from different device or file, you can use the input output redirection. For example, instead of accepting the values for the program or the parameters for the program for the command from the keyboard, you can access that from the the data to be processed. Instead of accessing that data from the keyboard, you can access it from files. And instead of showing the results of the command to the terminal or the on the monitor or the which is also called as standard output, we can redirect that standard output to the file. For example, instead of showing this ls-l commands output over here, we can use the redirection to store it in a file. For example, you can use this command ls-l, same command, and then instead of displaying the result on the monitor, if I want to save it in the file, say list of files, and then hit enter, what it will do is it will create one file called as list of files, and it will store all this information into that. So if you do ls now, as you can see, list of files, this file is created. And if you view the contents of that file using the cat command, list of files, then as you can see, that file contains whatever the command output was there. So that's how we can redirect the standard output to a file. And in the similar way, like if you want to sort the files, so usually it takes from the standard input, but if you want to take it input from the file, you can do it like that using that particular arrow, list of files. And as you can see, the files are now sorted. So that's sorted based upon the first line, that is directed file. So if you want to print the files as such, you can use ls command and you can sort that. Like that, as you can see, the result is displayed like that. And what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna put this ls into the file, so xyz, and for the sorting I'm gonna take the input from xyz and let us see the output. So that's how you can do the input output redirection in Linux. It's very useful tool. So instead of showing it on the monitor, you can display the results in the store the results permanently into the file, and then access them on these files later on using the input redirection. So if you like this video, hit like button.